It's your girl Sin, and I am back with another video. And if you want to see what I'm doing today, stay tuned.
TshirtChick.
Welcome back, t-shirtpreneurs, big timers, old timers, and if this is your first time watching my videos, welcome, first timers. A few months back, I had a guy from the Rotary Club to contact me about doing some shirts for a marathon that was coming up in November, the Turkey Trot marathon. So he asked if I could do the t-shirts, and of course y'all know your girl do t-shirts, so I was like, sure, I can do the t-shirts. But he also asked if I did medals. So I had never done medals before. I had never even attempted them, had never even thought about doing them. So he asked if I could do some medals. So today I'm going to be unboxing the medals, and then I'm going to be telling y'all the process. And I don't know if this is going to be a one-part video or a two-part video, but I am going to be doing the medals, but I'm going to be doing those tomorrow. So what I'm going to do is let y'all check it out. I'm going to let y'all see everything I'm going to be using to do the medals with, in case y'all are interested in doing some of your own. So I'll leave the links for all of that down below. So let's go. These are the medals that came in today. These are the shirts. They came in today also along with the medals. Right here is what I'm going to be using to do what I need to do to these medals. And I have a customer, so I'm going to, y'all give me a pause and I'm going to check back in with y'all. How you doing? All right, so right here, as you see, I have the medals right here. I'm gonna go ahead and open these up, and I'm gonna let y'all take a look at them, because I have not even took a look at them myself. Oh, while I'm doing all that cutting and stuff, I gotta be careful not to cut the things. Okay, so here are the medals right here. And I did not know that the back was like this. I was planning on putting something flat back here on the back. So what I will have to do is put I guess a one-liner going across here. But we're gonna work that out. But yeah, that was my thing with that. I thought that this was just going to be flat, you know, like this on the front, and it was going to be flat on the back. And these two, I don't know if they know that I ordered these two extra, because these two were, you know, I did order a couple of extra ones, because all the rest of these are in the plastic wrap, and I don't know why they would put it not in the plastic wrap. But and the colors that they got, they wanted something that was like fall looking colors, so that's what this is right here. But yeah, this is kind of a change of plan for me, because I thought it was just gonna be flat back here, but we can still work it out. We can still work it out and make it fit right here. And okay, so right here, I ordered these because on the website it said that these were 2-inch, that the design template area would be 2 inches. So these right here I bought the Avery sheets just to make it a whole lot easier. These are 2-inch round labels, so they should fit right off in here. Hopefully everything works out with that and they can just stick right there. And I ended up going with the Avery just to take the guesswork out of it, because I really could have did it, and I could have cut out just some regular sticker paper with my vinyl cutter, but just to you know, make this whole process a little easier and make them all, you know, ready to go. And it's only 20 of them. And right here I had purchased these clear labels, and these are actually waterproof too, so if the runners are sweaty, it would not affect this. But these right here are clear film, but I may not need these now because the way that the back is, because they were 2 inches also, and I was planning on just sticking them back here, but now I'm gonna have to figure something out to go right here. And actually I think I know what I'm gonna go with right here, but y'all stay tuned and y'all get to see. The reason I went with the Avery ones also is because they have a website. So I've been using their website for a long time with their templates because it just makes it easier to line everything up, and you can go on their website, set up a account with them, and you can print out your own labels and business cards and whatever using their templates, and you don't have to worry about figuring it out. But yeah, that's what I did. But I bought these. I'm probably going to end up sending these back right here because I don't think I'm going to need these now. But we're going to be working on these medals. The other thing, and I'm sorry, y'all, the customer coming in kind of threw me off a little bit, but I am not sure. I think you can use either a laser printer or an inkjet. So my laser printer is at home, my color laser printer is at home, and I have an inkjet printer here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these home and I'm going to print them and I'm going to bring them back up here to the shop, and all I have to do is stick them on there. But what I will do is let you guys either see that in this video or in the next video that I do, and I'll show y'all how to do the whole process. All right, y'all, and I am back, and I'm gonna tell y'all, I thought they getting that Avery paper.
All right, y'all, as you see, the audio is messed up for this video. I don't know what I was doing. I adjusted it on the camera because I was using a different camera than I normally film with. So I'm gonna have to go ahead and voice over the rest of this video because I thought it was good content and I didn't want this video to go to waste. So at this point, I was just talking about how the experience was attempting to use that Avery paper. It was not coming out right. I was actually using my laser printer at home, and when I was printing it out, it would not line up correctly. I was just having so many issues getting it to line up. I wasted so many sheets just trying to print it out. Now on this sheet, it actually has 12 different stickers on each sheet. So in the package, it actually has 120 stickers all together. So I should have been able to use 2 sheets to get my whole order done, since all I needed was 20 of the stickers. But because of all the issues, I did waste a whole lot of paper. I tried following the instructions. The instructions basically said to test print it on plain paper, so I did that. I went through all the steps that they said to do, but I was still having all kind of issues. It just would not line up correctly for me using my laser printer, so I just did what I could do. In the video, I did not have my test prints to show you guys, so I'm just go grab them real quick. So now that I have my stickers that I printed out at home, I'm just going to show y'all, give y'all a little glance of the medals so y'all can see what they look like. I'm actually looking at the sheets, just trying to find the sheet that's got the best prints on it, the ones that came out closest to something that is actually usable. So I did find a sheet that was okay. So I was having a little trouble trying to peel off the sticker, as y'all see. Now this paper does supposed to be easy peel, but it was kind of a little problem trying to get everything off. But I did find one and I was able to get it off. So as you see, I'm sticking it onto the metal, trying to line it up correctly so that it looks pretty decent once I line it up. And as y'all see, that's what it's looking like right there. My very first time ever doing a medal. So that's the first medal that I've made. So I'm just trying to make sure it's flat. And I see I didn't get it on there just perfect, but I think it looked okay. And I'm just trying to make sure that I'm flattening out everything, make sure I don't have any air bubbles. So I do see that it is off a little bit. It's not lined up perfectly, like I said, but that is my first one. I've never done medals before, but y'all check this out and y'all let me know what y'all think, because I think for the first one, it's okay. So I just want y'all to get a good look at it, and I'm going to go ahead and try to get the rest of these things done for y'all. But y'all let me know what y'all think. If y'all got any tips or anything, let me know. All right, so I'm gonna let y'all check out these medals and how they were packaged. Now, the first 2 medals that I pulled out, as you saw, they did not have the plastic wrapping on there like these. So I'm gonna undo this bundle and let you check it out. So as you see, they have them in like a little plastic bag, just like the metal part. So what they basically did was just stuck it in there to protect the metal. I don't know why they didn't put them all in the plastic bags, but the ones that are actually packaged up, those are actually the ones that I will be needing for this order. I did order 2 extra samples, and as you see, I'm having a little struggle trying to get them out that bag to try to let y'all check them out. So I'm gonna make another one real quick. Maybe I can get this one better and let y'all check this one out. But yeah, I thought the metals were pretty nice. They actually wanted the fall colors. That's why we have the colors that look like some, some fallen leaves. That's what the colors that they requested, because this is for a marathon. This video was actually filmed in 2022, and they needed these for a run, for a 5K run that was around the month of November. So yeah, that's right there is what everything is looking like. So I think that one actually came out better. I think they're going to look pretty nice. So I'm going to go ahead and do a few more of them and let you guys check that out so I can get these things finished. I had not took a look at the back of these medals yet. I was not expecting the back to be like it was. I was actually expecting the back to be flat, just like the front was. So I'm gonna have to figure out how I am going to print the backs of these, but I don't know. We're gonna have to figure that out. So right here I did print the stickers out on my inkjet printer. So they did print out correctly using my inkjet printer. So I don't know, maybe I should have used the inkjet printer instead of the laser printer. I don't know what the issue was with that. So for the last one, this is actually the last sheet that I'm printing out. It did come out right. I kind of moved locations to print the rest of them out. So as you see, I have everything set up right here. I have finished most of them. I have a few more left. So I'm going to go ahead and do everything. And then I'm going to check back in with y'all and let y'all check them out. So I did figure out what I'm going to do with the back of them. So y'all get to see that part coming up here shortly also. So as y'all see, I don't have that many left. I got about 3 of them left. So I'm going to go ahead, do those 3 so I can show y'all how to do the backs. All of the fronts of all of them are finished. So this is what they're looking like so far. So now all I have to do is the back. I think they look nice. They looking nice. So all of these I got to put back together, and I did have some sheets left, so that was good. I didn't waste them all. So far I think they looking very nice, and I gotta just put them back in the plastic, and then I gotta do the back. So I'm gonna show y'all what I'm gonna use to do the backs. So what I have right here, I have a label printer, and actually the label printer that I have is the ColourPop label printer right here. I will leave the link down below. That's the label printer. So all I have to do is print everything out. I can print in white with this, so I think the white will stand out better. They do not give you any font choices. You have to just use the font that they have available. You can choose the sizes. You can print, it's different sizes you can print, like maybe about 6 to 8 different sizes that you can print. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna go through, I'm gonna print this out and get a little sample ready for y'all and let y'all check that out. All right, so I'm just typing up the name so that I can try to make sure that I'm getting everything typed up in a good size. So as you see, it's printing it out right now. So all it does, it pops up at the top, and I hit the little button and cut it. And I'm gonna let you guys check out the size. So I don't know if y'all can see it. Y'all probably can't. No, y'all can't see it, but it's not real big. So I went ahead and I stuck it on there. That's what it's looking like. It's kind of small right there. It's not as big as I would like it, but it does look pretty nice. You can read it easily, but I do want it to be bigger. So I'm gonna peel that off, and it'll stay on to the metals, but it will come off if you peel it. It's a lot like a vinyl decal. You know, with the vinyl decals, as long as you just leave it alone, it'll stay on there. So I made it bigger, and we're gonna see. Okay, so that does look nice as far as the size, but I did put that one on there crooked. So I'm gonna get that right. I'm gonna go ahead and do all that. And since y'all see how I'm doing it now, I'm gonna go ahead and do it and get it finished. And then I'm gonna come back in and let y'all check it out at the end to keep this video from being super duper long. All right, so since I got a little technique down, I decided to come back and just show y'all my little process or technique that I'm using. So I only have a few more to finish, but I just want to show y'all what it looked like. Okay, so that's what it's looking like. I have 10 of them that I have to put the stickers on, and this is what it's looking like so far. Y'all, you can't really tell it's got the sticker on it. You can just see the white on there since the back of the sticker is clear. But I'm going to show y'all the process that I use to do it. So basically what I do, once I printed all the labels out, and once I print them out, I go ahead and I take the sticker, I stick it onto the back, and the sticker is going to be a little bit long when I stick it. So I use that to help me center it onto the back of the metal. And then I use my little X-Acto knife to cut the ends off so that it fits in there perfectly. So as I place it down right here, you guys can see, I center it. I can tell it's centered better when I leave it a little bit longer. So I go ahead, make it flat. And now I grab my X-Acto knife and I just cut the ends off, and it's not damaging the metal at all. And I just like pull it off, and y'all see when I was doing it off video, it was coming off easy, but when I start filming, what do you know, a problem comes up. Okay, so I peeled this next one off, and as y'all see, it looks nice. It's a whole lot cleaner than using scissors. And now I'll just put it back in the plastic bag, and it is ready to go. So I'm almost done. I'm going to go ahead and finish these up, and then I'll let you check everything out at the end. Here are the final results. I almost forgot to show them to y'all. So yeah, I did get them all done. So the way I separated them was I put all the ones that were blank on the back, I put all of them together. And all the ones that needed the print on the back, I put them all together. So as y'all can see, these are the ones with the sticker on the back. So all of those are the labeled ones. So we got first place, we got overall male, overall female, first place. And this is all of those. And I'm just using a little box that I found that is the right size for that. Yeah, so I have not got all the shirts in. I'm going to be printing those shirts hopefully tomorrow, and hopefully everything will be in tomorrow, and then they can pick them up on Friday. And if you're still watching and you have not subscribed, what is you doing? Go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on any of my videos. And if you're interested in any of the products I use in this video, make sure you check below this video, because I always leave links for products that I use. And I appreciate you watching, and I will see you in the next episode. But until then, be blessed.